What's up, guys? It's been so long. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So clearly it's been a very long time since I've sat down and filmed a video. Actually, no, I take that back because I have sat down and I have tried filming videos. I just haven't posted any of them. So this is the first time that you guys are hearing from me in a long time, and we have some catching up to do. So I figured for today's video, to kind of break the ice again and get back into the swing of things with videos, I would do a Q&A. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I have a lot to talk about, a lot to catch you guys up on. So obviously if you guys don't already, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram so that you can take part in the next Q&A and also just keep up on more like day-to-day things. So I got a ton of responses, so I'm going to do my best to get through as many of them as I can. A lot of you guys are curious about the same thing. So let's just get started. Rachel Briner, who actually does YouTube and Instagram stuff as well, she wants to know how I've been. And in case you guys don't already follow Rachel on anything, I'll go ahead and put her info in the description box because she's really creative and she has major aesthetic that I strive for. But anyways, I've been really good recently. I've been so stressed out, so busy, but I'm really happy. I don't want to get emotional, but I'm very content with where I am at my life right now. I have 2 jobs and then YouTube, and I'm in school, I'm taking summer classes, and I've just been so busy, but I finally feel like I'm getting where I want to be, because for a while I just kind of felt stuck. I didn't know if I wanted to go to school. I didn't know what kind of jobs I was looking for, and you know, like everything was just kind of up in the air, and I finally feel like I'm settling back down into a routine, and it just feels really good. So I've been happy. I've been busy, but I've been happy. My friend Andrea wants to know if I scrunch or fold my toilet paper, and I fold it. I didn't even know that this was a thing, so if you apparently scrunch your toilet paper, let me know in the comment section. I want this to become a debate in the comment section. I fold mine. I always get this question when I do Q&As, but someone asked what my favorite Starbucks drink is. 99% of the time I get a venti iced vanilla coffee with cream. Sometimes I'll do an iced vanilla latte, but those are more expensive and I think that they taste so similarly. So I usually just get the iced coffee. If I have a reward and I want to get an expensive drink, I'll either do a caramel macchiato or I'll do an iced white mocha. But I also know that those have a lot of sugar and they're really bad for you, so I don't get those all the time. So most of the time it's just an iced coffee. Sarah asked how college is going. It's going really well. I stressed myself out so much in the spring semester. Actually, the last video that I posted, I was updating you guys and telling you how I got shingles because I literally stressed myself out so much, but that's all cleared up now, for the record. But it's going really well. I only have 5 more classes until I have my associate's degree, so I'm doing 2 of those over the summer and then the other 3 in the fall. And then as of now, I'm planning on transferring to a 4-year university, but I haven't told you guys what school that is yet just because I don't want to jinx anything and I don't want to get ahead of myself, but there is a specific school that I have in mind, and it's going to be one that a lot of you guys either go to or know of, so I'm really excited for that. Simply Written asked where I get my modest dresses. They're so cute, and recently I've been so into midi dresses. I have a lot of floral ones, I have a lot of lace ones, so I would say most of my dresses are probably from Madewell, J. Crew, Loft. Old Navy has a lot of really cute ones right now. I've gotten some from Target recently. Cynthia asked what my favorite nail color is, and pretty much anytime my nails are painted, they're a light pink color like this. I don't know what this one's called. It's one of the OPI Infinite Shine nail polishes, so I'll put the name in the description box. But I do gel at home a lot of the times, and I'll use the shade Silk Slip from the brand Red Carpet. We sell it at Ulta, so most of the gel polishes I use are from the brand Red Carpet. Brianna or Brianna, I'm not sure how you pronounce your name because I know girls that pronounce it both ways, so I never want to pronounce it wrong, but she asked what my major is. So the associate's degree that I get is going to be in business management, but the 4-year university that I want to transfer to doesn't offer business management specifically, so I'm probably going to do my associates in business management and then my bachelor's degree in marketing, but I haven't decided specifically yet, but I am in the business program and I absolutely love it. The next question that I want to talk about is if I'm stopping YouTube, because I've met so many subscribers recently and seeing family and friends, they all ask me why I haven't made a video recently. And to be honest, I don't really have a good answer because like I said at the beginning of this video, I've sat down, I've tried filming videos, but one, I'm really hard on myself, and this is something that I do want to open up more about, but I just feel like I'm never happy with the content that I create, and I'm always beating myself up over not being good enough. But also, like I said, I've just been really busy, and I hate that I put it on the back burner, so I'm really excited to get back into it. But no, I'm not quitting. I'm not stopping it or anything. It was just, I took a little break. I kind of needed to focus on myself and on school for a little bit. But no, I'm not stopping, and I don't ever really plan to. This is a funny one. Someone asked if I got stuck in an elevator and was forced to listen to only one song, which would it be? I don't know, probably just anything Garth Brooks. So someone asked what I like to wear to school, and this definitely varies, but most of the time I just wear like jeans and a t-shirt or leggings or something. I don't always dress like a bum, but I definitely don't get as dressed up as I do if I'm like going out with my friends or going to work or something, just because I go to a community college and a lot of people show up literally in their pajamas. Kate asked if we can go shopping together, and I think that would be so fun. If you guys live in the Pittsburgh area and you would want me to organize some sort of like meetup or like shop with me event or something, I have no clue where I would do it or even like what the details would be, but if you're interested in that, definitely let me know, because I meet a lot of you guys just while I'm out and about, or even if I'm at work or something. Let me know if you live in the Pittsburgh area too and you would be interested in something like that. Someone asked if I carry a book bag or a purse when I go to school, and I have a big brown leather tote bag. I don't have it in my room right now, it's downstairs, but it was one that I got on clearance for like $11 back when I was like 16 and worked at Old Navy, and it's just held up really well. I've like shown it in some of my vlogs and stuff, so it's just like a plain brown leather tote bag. It's nothing fancy, but I like the look of that more than a backpack. But I also have an LL Bean backpack that I'll use if it's like a really busy part of the school year or I need a lot of books one day. A lot of people are asking about the way that I dress, or just complimenting my outfit, so I definitely want to start doing outfit of the weeks again. I feel like that's such an old school video that people don't really do anymore, but just like a summer outfit of the week kind of video, I'm definitely going to do something like that soon. And then I know I mentioned my Instagram earlier, but definitely follow me on there if you'd want to see like outfit of the days and stuff, because I will post outfit details on there, like on my story. Dorothy asked about my plans for the summer, and I don't have anything crazy going on. It's not like last year when I literally just like picked up and moved to California. I am going to Vegas in July for my best friend Abby's 21st birthday. So stoked for that. I'll definitely vlog the trip. Sue asked if I'm going to be filming more YouTube vlogs, and heck yeah, I'm so excited. Abster, who I'm assuming her first name is Abby, but she asked if I like avocados, and I don't love them. I don't hate them either though. Like if they're in a salad or on something, I'll eat it, but I've never been one to eat like avocado toast or anything. This is a really good one. Someone asked what my other two jobs are and if I would ever consider making YouTube my full-time job, and maybe like a week ago I was just talking on my Instagram story and I told you guys that I have another job now, and I was just kind of like updating you guys, but I didn't tell you where my other job is. So about 2 months ago I got hired at Spade, which I'm really excited about. It's been going really well so far. So I'm doing Ulta and Spade, and I'm planning for my next video to do a summer haul. So I'll show you guys some of the things that I've bought from Spade since I started working there, and then I bought some stuff from like Target and Madewell and whatnot. So keep an eye out for that haul video. So I feel like I covered most of the topics that you guys were asking about, except for one topic that just seemed to be a very popular one. Let's see. Have you met anyone new? Are you in a new relationship? Are you dating anyone? Do you have a boyfriend? Who's the new boo? Do you have a new boyfriend? Are you dating? Do you have a boyfriend in all cap? Who is the guy on your story for the Memorial Day post? Are you dating or open to the idea of dating anyone new? Who is the mystery man? Do you have a new boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? New boyfriend, congrats. Do you have a new boyfriend? Do you have a new boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Are you dating anyone? New boyfriend, where did you meet? And that's not all. It goes on and on and on because you guys just really want to know. So to answer all of those questions, yes, there is a boy. His name's Alex, and I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to be back into the swing of things. I'm so excited to edit this video and post it, and just I've missed YouTube so much. Definitely leave a comment with any video suggestions that you have. I'm gonna do an outfit one. I'm gonna get back into vlogs. I'm gonna do a haul video soon. So if you want anything other than those types of videos, just let me know. I've missed you guys literally so much. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.